welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will do my daily makeup look at my work. So, as you can see guys, wala pa talaga ako makeup. Ayan. So, yan yung face natin. So, medyo red yun dito ko. Gawa nung nag-swimming kami in Obhor last Friday morning. So, mag-start na tayo. So, kailangan ko munang maglagay ng mga ng clip dito para umangat yung hijab ko. So, mag-start na tayo. Tanggalin ko na yung salamin ko, guys. So, let's start na. Ayan. So, yan. Yung mga nakapapanood nyo, guys, sa mga get ready with me na mga muslima ganyan. Naglalagay sila dito, yan, ganyan. Para umangat yung nila, hijab nila. So, guys, hindi talaga pwede makita yung hair natin. So, ayan, ganyan siya. So, don't mind my forehead, guys, ha. Ganyan talaga. Let's start, guys. So, first, I'm using my Eskinol for my cleanser. Yes, guys. Lagay na natin siya. This is how I make my makeup, guys, ha. So, don't bash me. This is how I cleanse my face. So, patayin lang natin siya, guys. So, after that, I'm using my Himalayan aloe vera for my moisturizer. So, yan guys. Makita nyo naman, gamit na gamit siya, diba? Because I'm always using this one, day and night. Patayin lang din natin siya, guys. After my aloe vera, for my moisturizer, I'm using this Olay, guys. They have SPF 15 only, guys. This one. Yeah. So, hiyang ako dito, guys. Meron siyang glowing radiance. Cream siya. So, mas hiyang ako dito. Before, guys, when I'm in the Riyadh, I have too much pimple here, also here. Then, when I start using this Olay, it's very nice to my face, guys. That's why I am still using this one until now. So, yan, guys. So, yan. I put some Olay on my face. So, that's what I start my makeup every day when I go in work. So, as you can see, guys, medyo nag-glow siya. I mean, nag-glow talaga when I put some Olay on my face. So, don't mind my double chin, guys. That's organic. Charis, pinaghirapan ko yan. So, now, after I'm using this Olay, I put concealer on my face. This one, my concealer, guys. This is from Shiglam. This is how I use my concealer talaga. Same like my foundation, guys. After this, I blend it with my sponge. After this, I put some foundation. Foundation, guys. I put some foundation in my sponge. Tapos na po akong maglagay ng aking moisturizer and also ng aking Olay sa face ko. Then, I put also some concealer and also foundation on my face. So, now, I put my eyebrow. So, this is my favorite eyebrow cream. So, tignan nyo guys, as you can see. Ubus na talaga siya. Sinisimot ko na lang siya. So, yan. Mag-start na tayo guys. Ayan. Nag-start ako pag maglagay ako ng kilay on my right eyebrow. So, nagla-line muna ako. Then, tsaka ako siya ikakalat. Ayan guys, tapos ko na isang eyebrow ko. Then yung next na tayo. So mag-put lang ulit ako ng dito. Ayan guys, so hindi pa siya pantay, diba? Tama ba? Ayusin pa natin siya. Guys, are you kilay is life din ba? Because me, I am also kilay is life. I cannot go outside without my kilay. So yan guys, I finished my eyebrow na. Yeah, that's what I do my eyebrow every day. So not totally finished because I put also some gel on my eyebrow. This is eyebrow gel from Shiglam. I bought it on Shein guys. Because mas mura naman sa Shein kaysa yung mga physical store nila sa mga market, sa mga mall. Because syempre, di ba, may tubo na rin sila doon. So, yes. So, yun nga, naglalagay ako ng ng eyebrow gel para mag long lasting yung aking eyebrow. Yung, color niya. You know what I mean, guys. Sa mga nagme-makeup dyan, alam niyo yung ibig kong sabihin. I'm doing naman my eyeshadow. So, first, I'm using also this blush on from Shiglam also. So first I put it on my eyeshadow here in my eyelid para lang magkaroon siya ng glow na nagre-red siya. So ganun pa, makikita niyo yan mamaya guys. Before ako maglagay ng mga eyeshadow na mga may glitters, nagpo-put muna ako nito. Parang ombre na lang. Ombre ba tawag? Yes, guys. This is what I'm saying. So, yeah. Next naman, ilalagay na natin yung ating eyeshadow. So, yeah. So, alam niyo naman na kung ano yung favorite ko. So, ito talaga yung everyday use ko sa work. Kaya yan, paubos na rin siya. And also this one. Yeah. So next, I'm using some, what color would I use now? Maybe this one. I use this one. And also this one. Masyado siyang red. Ito na lang pala guys. Yung i-use natin. Masyado siyang red. So first, I put it on this side. And also this side. In the last part of my eyelid. So after that guys, I put the glitters, this one, ito, in the middle of my eyelid. Iko-cover lang natin yung mga hindi nalagyan kanina. As you can see guys, ayan siya. Ganyan siya. Ang aking eyeshadow. Ayusin na natin siya. Let's fix it on my eyes. So, yan guys. So, yan yung aking eyeshadow. So, next naman is I put eyeliner, liquid eye from Pink Lash. This is from the Philippines, guys. When my friend go in the Philippines, I tell to her that please buy me some what is this? Liquid eyeliner from Pink Flash because I like it, guys. I have too much lipsticks from Pink Flash in the Philippines. So yes, guys, finish na yung aking eyeshadow. Tapos, yung aking eyeliner. Yan. So, i-fix lang natin yung ating eyes. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo, guys. So, yes, this is the final look of my eyeliner and also my eyeshadow. Guys. So, next one, I put some eye mascara on my, pilikmata. What is pilikmata in English? I forgot it. So, next, I put Pink Lash Mascara on my pilikmata, guys. Ayan. So, makikita niyo, puro pink blush talaga yung ginagamit ko sa eyes ko. Because I like it, guys. It's very nice. So, yan guys. Tapos na tayo sa ating eyeshadow. Check. Eyeliner and also my mascara. Yan guys. So, tapos na tayo. Next na natin is ang ating blush on. So, I use also this blush on from Rude. I bought it on the center point here. Same like department store in the Philippines, guys. Ayan. Dewy blush. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ito siya, guys. Yeah. Ayan, ganyan. So, I put 3 dots on my cheek. Yeah. And also here. Ayan. Hindi lang maayos yung dots ko dito, guys, as you can see. Compared dito sa kabila. Kaya nagdoble ako sa kabila. So, yan. I-blend na natin siya. I love this blush, guys. Talaga, promise. It's not very hard to do like this. On my cheek. Ayan, guys. Tsaka yung smell niya, ang bango niya. I'm using also blush on my nose line. And then also my baba. What is the English of baba? Ayan, guys. So, after this, I put some. I use my brown eyeshadow for my nose line, guys. Nose line. Sa pag maglalagay ka ng contour sa nose mo. Ayan, guys. So, yan, diba? Nakita nyo naman yung difference nung wala pa ako tsaka sa meron. Tsaka nalalagay lang ako ng konti dito sa akin cheek. Kasi masyado nang malaki yung face ko. So, para lang naman din nangyari. So, yes, guys. As you can see, naglagay na ako ng konting brown dito sa ilong ko. Tapos, naglagay na ako ng blush on. Also, may eyeshadow. And also, eyeliner. And also, may mascara, guys. Ayan. Yan pa lang naman as of na yung akin nalalagay. So, yes, guys. I finished my eyebrow. My eyeliner. I put also eyeshadow and mascara. And also, I'm doing my contour, my blush on. And next, I'm using this Rosabella. I bought it in the Lulu Hypermarket, guys. This is not expensive, guys. But this is not fake. I search it on Google, guys. Yes, I use this highlighter for my nose. So this one, I use this one. My nose, or what's the, yeah, ito na lang. Ito na lang pala. I put it on in the middle of my nose. Yeah, as my highlighter. So, yan. So, also here, I put it here. Ayan, nose ko parang. Ayan. And also here on my cheek, guys. I use this one, the pink one naman. So, next na natin, ilalagay natin isang aking lipstick na. So, I use also Shiglam. This is my favorite, guys. This is from Shiglam. The shade is Wake Up Call. Ayan. Ayan, guys. So, lagay na natin siya. Para lang kasi siyang lip tint, guys, na nag-glow. That's why this is my favorite lippy. Actually, guys, hindi talaga ako umiulit ng mga brand ng lipstick. Baga kung ano lang yung magustuhan ko, yun yung binibili ko. Pero ito, guys, talaga, inulit ko siya. Pag naubos, bili ako ulit, ganyan. Ito lang nag-iisang bukod tangang binibili ko ng paulit-ulit. Tsaka long lasting din kasi siya, guys. Tamang-tama siya sa mga work. So, yan, guys. Ganyan yung shades niya. Simple lang, no? So, yan. Ganyan lang ako mga everyday makeup look ko, guys. when I go in my work. Yan po yung aking makeup, guys. So, yan. Naglo-long last na siya until 9 hours on my work. So, wait. I forgot something. So, I put also setting powder on my face. So, this is my loose powder. Oh, sorry. This is not my setting powder pala. This is my loose powder. Yeah, loose powder pala. I'm using loose powder from Says Lady. Also, this one from the Philippines. So, yes, I put it on my face. Para hindi na siyang oily-oily, guys. Buong face ko nilalagyan ko nito. Tuyo ko talaga ng oily yung face ko. So, yes, guys, this is my final look. After I put some, some loose powder, I put again some little blush on my cheek. Because, di ba, pag naglalagay tayo ng, ng mga powder sa face na may makeup na tayo, nagbabawasan yung mga red. So, yan. Ganyan siya, guys. Yes, this is my final look. Ayusin na natin ang ating sarili. So, yan na, guys. Hello, kiddies! So, this is our final look. So, simple lang naman talaga siya, guys. This is what I'm always wearing when I am going to my work. Because, ano pa nga ba, bakit naman ako magmamakapal na makeup? Diba, guys, sa work lang naman ako pupunta. So, I put some eyebrow cream and gel on my eyebrow. And eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara. Naglagay din ako ng contour, highlighter, lipstick, and also blush on. And also I put the concealer, foundation, and the loose powder on my face. Oh, don't forget, I put also my skincare first before I put my makeup. Every day, guys. So yes, I have pimple here. Don't mind it. Later, when I remove my makeup, I put some pimple patch. So I have too much pimple patch here, guys. I bought it also in Shein. I have too much color here. So yan, guys. Dito ko na po tatapusin ang aking video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, kiddies!